Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video I am going to camera test Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. I am already making this smartphone unboxing and first impression. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Let's move on the main video. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back. 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5 optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, and the phone also comes with a 8 megapixel ultra wide and 20 megapixel single selfie camera. First off, talk about the video quality. You can record 4K 30 fps video, and you also record 1080 30 60 and 240 fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 240 fps slow-mo video. This is a 4K 60 fps video sample Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and as you can see that the video quality is not bad. In the 4K video you can zoom highest 6x, and this is the 1080 30 fps video sample, and 1080p video you also get EIS and OIS, so you can get easily smooth video, and 1080p video you can zoom highest 10x. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness pretty good, and as you can see that the smartphone picture quality is sharp and beautiful, so you guys get a pretty much good idea about the picture quality. Now let's talk about the portrait picture. You also get a pretty much good portrait because this phone also have a dedicated telephoto lens, so that's why you can get a pretty much good portrait with this smartphone. And this is the low light picture sample. This smartphone always give you better shot. Let's now talk about the night photography. I am very much surprised about the night photography. This smartphone offer you excellent night photography experience without night mode. As you can see that all the images look very colorful and attractive. All the image color correction and sharpness is pretty good, and as you can see that, and you guys get a pretty much good idea about this smartphone night photography, so I can easily say that this smartphone give you excellent shot any situation. So overall this smartphone camera quality is top notch on this budget. So that pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.